Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do invite you to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, please turn on post notifications if you guys have not done so already so that you never have to miss a video. Today's video is going to be all about Boxycharm, and this is for the month of August. As soon as I get my Boxycharm box, I try to film for you guys quickly. That way I get to show you guys all the products that you guys should be expecting. We all kind of get similar items. If you don't already have a monthly subscription with Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty box with 5 to 6 beauty products, and it switches up every single month. If you follow Boxycharm on their Instagram, they do give you sneak peeks on what to expect. So some of us do get a few different products, but for the most part, we all get basically the same exact thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys what I received in my August box. Let's just go ahead and get started.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Okay, so I want to start by telling you guys that usually in my Boxycharm box, a little pamphlet comes inside and it tells me all the products that are in the box and the prices. Unfortunately, it's not in this month's box. I don't know what happened, Boxycharm. But the first item that I received is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette, which I was so excited about. This little palette retails for $19, and this is what she looks like on the inside. It does have a mirror. They are all matte with the exception of hungover and bottoms up. This one is a matte, it just has a little bit of shimmer on it. These here are the swatches of the palette. The next item that I received is this Becca primer. And let me read the box. This is more than just a primer. It's the secret behind the iconic Becca glow. This lightweight whipped fluid creates a smooth canvas and acts as an instant filter. Blurs imperfection and gives skin a healthy, luminescent glow. Alright, so this primer on Sephora, it retails for $18. This next item was totally random in the box. It's the NCLA Los Angeles Treatments So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. This here retails for $18. It does have a really nice smell to it. That's all I can say about this. Moving on to the next item that I received is this Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner, and this retails for $22. It's highly pigmented, long-wearing liner that glides on easily because of the gel-based formula. Up to 10 hours of waterproof their website says swear-proof. I think they meant sweat-proof. And humidity-proof wear. Cruelty-free, long-lasting, and smudge-proof. When I seen the color of this, I immediately swatched it. I'm going to show you guys a swatch of it actually. The formula did not glide on like it states, so I tried it on my eyebrows and this is what I got. So I'll go more into detail as the video goes on. Moving on to the next item in the box. This is the other item that I received in this month's box, and this is the Be Legendary Liquid Lip, and this retails for $24. And I got the color Brick Trick, and it's the one that I'm currently wearing. The sixth item, yeah, 6 items actually. I already used one, but I got 3 of these, so it's a good deal. This is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask by Wander Beauty. A set of individually packaged gold foil eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So these retail for $25 in a pack of 6. In this box, we got 3 of them. It really sucks that I didn't have the card because I'm like adding everything up on what the value of this box is. So it's $21.99 if you guys want to sign up. I do have a link down below if you guys are interested, because honestly it's a good deal. Even if there's a few products that you don't like, it's a really, really good deal. You build up on your collection, and this cost $21.99. The value of this month's box is $126. That's such a steal. You save money on individual products, so Like I've done in the past, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look right here with this month's box. If you're interested, then just go ahead and keep watching, and make sure you stay tuned because right after I'm going to share my thoughts in regards to the products that were in the box.
Forget up the we already gave in. I'm so alive, baby, I'm so alive.
Okay guys, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I'm going to go ahead and start with this item here because this is the first product I used to achieve the look. So with these eye masks, I didn't really see a difference. At first they were really cooling and it felt really nice under my eyes, but after maybe 3 minutes, my skin kind of started to burn under my eye. I have really sensitive skin, maybe that's just me. So when you guys receive these, if you guys do receive these, make sure you guys let me know if this happened to you as well down in the comments. I would like to know, or maybe I need to check the ingredients to see what my skin was not happy with, so yeah. This item, as you guys see in the swatch that I previously did, it did not glide on like it was supposed to, so I used it for my eyebrows instead of an eyeliner. And I don't recommend that you do that because it doesn't even glide on your eyebrows. It was hard to work with, so yeah. Damn, I forgot about this one here. This was actually the first one that I used. I mean, it's cuticle oil. It did its job. Alright, so the Laura Lee palette. I was really excited about this palette and then I tried using it. I had a really hard time blending these eyeshadows and you guys didn't see how I swatched these. I'm gonna try this one here. I really want to show you guys how it swatches. It's pigmented, but it just gets really chalky and it even feels really chalky. I definitely could work with it. The colors are buildable and I'm going to show you guys kind of like a close-up of the eyeshadow. To achieve a bright, bold center, I had to put the eyeshadow on with my finger and dab it, because if you blend it out, it literally looks really chalky and you can kind of see that it is chalky. I didn't play around with these other shades, so maybe they'll work different. I'll definitely be posting more looks with this palette on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me if you haven't done so already. I'm going to go ahead and link my Instagram down below in the description box, so make sure that you do check that out. The next item that I used to achieve my look is the Becca I keep saying Blacklight, but it's Backlight Priming Filter. So it's supposed to blur out imperfections. Looking at my face up close, I usually don't wear primer, so I'm really not seeing a big difference. I see my foundation kind of cracking at my smile lines and on the side of my nose, so I feel like a primer should prevent that. And I did apply setting spray, so I don't know, maybe it's my foundation. Okay, last but not least is the Smashbox liquid gloss, what do you call it? The Legendary Liquid Pigment. This is definitely a gloss and I feel like I could have done a more creative look using this eyeshadow palette, but since I got this color liquid lipstick, this is the only look that I could do. Creating a video for you guys where I don't look cray cray. I just feel like we should have gotten a nude lipstick with the palette that we received in this month's box. But it is a really pretty color. I can't wait to use it for other looks. Thank you, darlings, for listening to my thoughts for each and every product that was in this month's box. What product are you guys most excited about from this month's box? Let me know down in the comments. And I'm going to end the video here. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.